Hey everybody, welcome back to Virgin Creek Homestead. Thank you for joining us on part 2 of our series of fixing this old Kubota that has not ran in a couple of years, and I'm not sure if it's going to run today, but today I brought down a battery. We're going to see if we can get fuel up into the fuel rail, and we're going to see if we can get this ignition to work long enough to see this thing start. First thing I got to do, I got to check the oil, make sure I'm not going to blow the engine. It's been sitting, I don't know if it's leaked out. Number 2, I want to just see if I can get the ignition to work. Lights to come on, that tells me I've got ignition, probably. And then 3, I want to see if it'll turn over and start. So that's what we're going to work on today. Let me go get the battery and we'll get started. That's a ground. Not sure which one of these is positive and which one's ground. Alright, that's our ground. Can you see that? Half of the battery terminal is missing. That'll be replaced. I'll turn this battery around. See if I can hear anything when I connect the positive side. Nothing. Hopefully that means the ignition's not on, and not that it's not working. I've got my air conditioner started up. I've got dash lights, I've got a low oil light, and a battery light. So the ignition still kind of works. Before I start, turn it over, I'm going to check oil. There you go. Black as night, but it's got oil. It's going to be one of the first things it gets is an oil change. Okay, see if we can get the starter engaging, and who knows, maybe it'll start. I don't know. I doubt it, but we'll see. Okay, so as soon as I start the starter to engage, it does a click, and then I've got nothing. What that tells me is I have a bad battery connection. So, adjust both of those, and we'll see if that works. Bad battery connection, but I heard that starter that time. Number 3. I don't have any cleaner out here with me. And one thing you can do is you just take the threads on a bolt, and it kind of acts like a file. I just want to expose that new metal here. These are lead, not brass. Lead will oxidize, especially quick when it runs into your battery terminals. But just it'll oxidize anyway. Got some shiny stuff there. I know the battery has charge because it's right out of my older tractor, my Massey Ferguson, and that thing starts right up. So it's got to be on the Kubota end. Wouldn't it be a shame if this engine was locked up? It started. Yeah. It's running. Dude, this hasn't been running in years, and it just started on its first real attempt with the starter engaging. I didn't have to purge the fuel rail. I didn't have to add oil. That is so cool. Okay, cool. We've got something to work with here. I didn't want to run it too long because I haven't checked the radiator yet, and I don't want it to overheat on me. And I need to really go through this a lot better, and now that I know it's running, I've got something to work with, and I know it's going to be worth it. That is awesome. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Okay, well, I don't have any tools down here. I just really wanted to throw the battery in and see what would happen. That is best case scenario right there. So, maybe you learned something today with that bolt trick. I've done it a lot. You just shine it up, and it makes better contact. It'll be able to throw more amps through it and engage that starter when you need it. So, wow. Okay, cool. Next step, I'm going to bring down some tools. Probably not right now, but next chance I get, I'm going to bring some tools down, and we're going to start wrenching on this thing. So I can't wait. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next video, part 3. God bless.